Hi all, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening. Okay. First of all, myself Rajesh, having 8+ years of experience on software testing industry. Okay. Currently, I am working under one of the MNC organization like Capgemini. Okay. And I have a very much experience on like manual testing, automation with testing with Selenium, and I have a good knowledge on performance testing as well. Okay. And I have experience on mobile testing. Okay. Now we will go for manual testing first. After that, we will go for automation testing by using Selenium. Clear? Okay. And I will explain the testings about how to do the API testing. After that, I will explain about what are the important queries we are going to use in SQL. Okay. This is the section I am going to cover this 2 months or 2.5 months. Clear? This is all about me. Okay. Clear, guys? Any more questions on this? Okay. Now we'll go for testing. Okay. Now we'll go for the testing. Okay. Coming to testing, it is divided into two types. Okay. Testing is divided into two types. Okay. First one is manual testing. First one is manual testing, and coming to second one is automation testing. Okay. If you want to write, you can write, guys. Okay. That is up to your wish. Okay. Testing is divided into two types. First one is manual testing, and coming to second one is the automation testing. Okay. First, we will cover about manual testing. After that, we will go for automation testing. Clear? Okay. First topic is manual testing. Okay. Coming to manual testing, what are the topics we are going to discuss on manual testing? First, we will see on that. Clear? Okay. First topic will be software testing terminologies. Software testing terminologies. Okay. Why I am going for software testing terminologies means, okay, if you go for any organization, okay, they are going to call different types of words. Okay, they are going to call different kinds of words. Okay, for you once you get a job, you are going to you have to answer those all things. So that's the reason I am going to explain about what are the terminologies they are going to call. Okay, as a manager or some lead, okay, they are going to give some task. Okay, what are the terminologies they are going to call? I am going to explain the terminologies. After that, I will explain about SDLC life cycle. SDLC life cycle. What is meant by SDLC life cycle? Anyone heard about SDLC life cycle? SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. Okay, Software Development Life Cycle. SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. Clear, guys? If you go for the interview, they are going to ask SDLC. Okay, SDLC is nothing but Software Development Life Cycle. These words also you have to remember. Okay, and coming to next topic will be software testing methods. Software testing methods. Okay. Coming to methods, here it is divided into two types. Okay. Software testing methods is divided into two types. First one is static testing. It is just introduction I am saying, guys. It is divided into two types. First one is static testing, and coming to second one is the dynamic testing. Okay, these two testings is very important. Okay, very important. Okay, after my next topic will be software testing levels. Okay, software testing levels. This is a definite interview question, guys. Okay, very important interview question. Okay, if you go for the interview, definite interview question they are going to ask. Okay, coming to software testing levels, it is divided into four types. It is divided into four types. First one is unit level testing. I will explain in deeply. Okay, just for introduction I am saying. Okay, first level is unit level testing. Second one is integration level testing. Integration level testing. And coming to third one is user acceptance testing. Okay, if you go for any organization, they are going to call UAT. Okay, they are going to call UAT. Clear? Or sometimes they are going to call UAT. Okay, and another testing is system level testing. Another testing is system level testing. Okay, how many types is there, guys? In software testing levels, we are having four levels. Very important interview question. So that's the reason I am saying. How many levels is there? We are having four levels. One is unit level, integration level, system level, and user acceptance testing. Okay, we are having four types. Okay, and coming to my next topic is different types of testings. Different types of testing. Okay, coming to different types of testing, here it is divided into two types. Here also it is divided into two types. First one is functional testing. Coming to second one is non-functional testing. How many testings is there? Here we are having two types. One is functional testing, and coming to second one is the non-functional testing. Guys, are you there? Hello? Are you
Yes,
able to?
Rajesh.
Yeah. In middle, just speak, okay? Whether my net problem or my voice is not able to hear, I am not able to understand. Just in the middle, just try to speak out, okay?
Okay.
Coming to
Okay.
my next topic will be principles of software testing. Okay, this principles of software testing is not much important, but if the interview is going to be a tough mode, okay, if the interview is going to be a tough mode, at that time it is also a definite interview question. Okay, if the interview is going to be normal mode, okay, no one is going to ask the principles of software testing. If the interview is going to be a tough mode, at that time this is a definite interview question. Clear? We don't know whether the interview is going to be tough or whether the interview is going to be normal. Okay, we have to be prepared. Okay, whether it is normal or minor, okay, or major, anything, we have to be very prepared. Okay, so that's the reason I am covering each and everything. Okay, coming to next topic is SDLC life cycle. Okay, what is meant by SDLC? Can anyone? This is a software development life cycle. Here, can anyone tell what is meant by SDLC life cycle? Software testing.
Software testing lifecycle.
Okay, it is going to become as a software testing life cycle. Software testing life cycle. Okay, this is very important. Okay, you are going to face minimum 2 to 3 interview questions on this. Definitely. Okay, I am damn sure. Okay, different interview question on this also you are going to face one of the important interview question. Okay, where the interview questions are going to fall also I am saying directly. Clear? And coming to next topic is SDLC models. SDLC models. Okay, what is meant by SDLC? SDLC is nothing but software development life cycle models. Okay, in SDLC it is divided into models is divided into two types. First one is sequential model. First one is sequential model. Coming to second one is incremental model. Okay, it is divided into two types. One is sequential model, and coming to second one is the incremental model. Okay, coming to sequential model, again it is divided into two types. Okay, one is waterfall model, and coming to second one is the V model. Okay, in sequential model we are having two types. One is waterfall, and coming to second one is the V model. Coming to incremental model, here we are having a different types of models. One is spiral model, second one is rad model, third one is prototype model, fourth one is agile model. Okay, here what is meant by RAD? What is meant by RAD? If you are having this kind of doubts, please ask me, guys. Okay, RAD stands for rapid application development model. Okay, what is meant by RAD? RAD means rapid application development model. Okay, out of this all models, which model is very important? Means agile model is very important. Okay, if you learn this all models or not, that is up to your wish, guys. But agile model is very important. Now each and every organization is using agile methodology. Okay, clear? Each and every interviewer, they are going to ask agile methodology. Damn sure. Here also. Pakka. Okay. Coming to next one is test scenarios. Coming to next one is test scenarios. How to write a test scenarios. Okay. How you are going to identify the test scenarios. Those all things I am going to explain. Coming to next one is test cases. I am going to explain about test cases. Based upon the test scenarios, okay, based upon the test scenarios, we have to write the test cases. Based upon the test scenarios, we have to write the test cases. Okay, how to write the test cases? What are the positive test cases? What are the negative test cases? Those all things we have to write. Clear? How to write? I will tell. Clear? Coming to next one is test case design techniques. Test case design techniques. Okay, in this test case design techniques also, we are having a different types of techniques is there. Okay, we are having a different types of techniques like BBA, ECP, decision table testing, decision table testing, state transition testing, state transition testing, error guessing, error guessing. Like that, we are having a different types of techniques available. Okay, we are having a lot of techniques. Okay, to write the test cases. Okay, most of the times, okay, each and every interviewer, they are going to ask these two techniques only. Okay, 99% they are going to ask these two techniques. Okay, these two techniques is very important when compared to this all techniques. Okay, this techniques is very important. Okay, here you have to ask one question: what is meant by BVA and what is meant by ECP? Okay, BVA stands for boundary value analysis. What is meant by BVA? BVA stands for boundary value analysis. Okay, let me write here. BVA stands for boundary value analysis. Okay, coming to what is meant by ECP? ECP stands for equivalence class partition. Class partition. Clear? These are the different types of techniques we are going to follow under test cases. Clear? What are the different types of techniques? What are the different types of techniques you have followed in your previous organization? Okay, that will be one of the interview question. Or what are the techniques you know, okay, to write the test cases? Okay, that was the interview question. Okay, what was the techniques? We are having a different types of techniques like BVA, ECP, decision table testing, trace transmission testing, and error guessing. Okay, by using these techniques, we are going to design our test cases. Clear? That should be your answer. Coming to next topic. Okay, coming to next topic is defect life cycle. Defect life cycle. Okay, we are having a defect life cycle. Okay, you are writing the test scenarios, you are writing the test cases. Okay, you are executing the test cases. Once the expected value and actual value is not matched. Okay, the expected value and not actual value is not matched. Okay, we have to send a defects to the developer. Okay, if you are finding any issue in the application, means we have to send a issues to the developer. Then only the developer is able to fix that issue. Okay, so that's the reason we have to raise a defects by using one of the defect lifecycle tool. Okay, we are having a one of the defect tracking tool. Okay, defect tracking tool. Okay, we are having a different types of tracking tools like Jira, Track Plus, UC, Bugzilla, Test Rail. Okay, like that we are having a different types of defect tracking tools. Okay, but each and every organization nowadays going for Jira. Okay, if you learn any one of the defect tracking tool, okay, almost 99.99% almost all are same only. Clear? Okay, nowadays each and every organization is going for Jira. Okay, I am also going to explain about Jira only. Okay, I am also going to explain about Jira only. Okay, any one software is enough. Okay, not necessary to learn all things. Sorry guys. Okay, not required to learn all things. Okay, one tool is more than enough. Okay, all are similar. Okay, all are similar. After that, I am going to explain about SQL commands. Okay, I am going to explain basic SQL commands. Okay, as a manual tester, you have to be a minimal knowledge on SQL commands. Okay, so that's the reason I am going to explain the basic knowledge on SQL commands. Clear? Once SQL is completed, I am going to explain about API testing. Okay, after that I am going to explain about API testing. Okay, what is meant by API? API stands for application programming interface. Okay, API stands for application programming interface. Okay, I will tell how to do the API testing. Okay, manually. Okay, by using, we are going to use a one of the software called as Postman. Okay, using Postman. Okay, we are going to use a one of the software called as Postman. Okay, we are going to use one of the software called as Postman. Okay, I will explain how you are going to test by using in the software. Clear? This is also very important. Okay, nowadays almost in future is going to become as a API testing. Okay, almost this is also called as automation. Okay, by using API testing, we can perform. Okay, we can reduce lot of efforts. Okay, we can reduce lot of efforts. Okay, API testing is very going to become very popular nowadays. Okay, I will give this all things. Okay, this is I am going to cover about manual testing. Clear? These are the topics I am going to cover about manual testing. Okay, here subtopics is there, guys. Okay, here subtopics is there. Okay, coming to function testing and non-function testing, we are having a different types of testings. I have not written. Okay, what are the major things? Okay, I am going to cover those all things I have discussed. Okay, if you have any questions, okay, just unmute yourself and just speak out. Okay, after that, I am going to tell about first one. Clear? I am going to discuss about first topic. If you have any questions or any concerns, okay, just please let me know. Guys, you are going to become as a software engineers, okay? You have to raise your voice first. First, my concern is that one, okay? Please try to speak out, okay? Why? Because we have to attend a daily calls, okay, with our manager, okay, or otherwise, if you work 200, if you are going to put 200% effect also, someone is going to take that effect, okay? You have to speak, okay? I have done this work, okay? This is my task, okay? You have to speak out yourself, okay? That is my intention, okay? You don't feel shy, all are new only, okay? No one knows completely. Clear? Understood, guys? Are you able to hear?
Yes, Rajesh.
Any more questions?
No, I'm good so far.
Yeah. Okay. Coming to first topic, I am going to explain about software testing terminologies. I am going to explain. Okay. You are going, why you are going to learn a software testing? What is the use of software testing? Okay. First, I will explain about what is a software. Okay. What is a software, guys? Okay. You are going to buy phones, laptops, or any other devices. Okay. Each and everything you are going to buy. How they are going to work? How they are going to work, guys? Okay. They are going to develop one of the software. Okay. You are going to install WhatsApp, WhatsApp, Facebook. Okay. Each and everything you are going to download. From where onwards you are going to download that those all things? From one of the software called as Play Store. Okay, if you are using a Android mobiles means, okay, we are having a option called as Play Store. Okay, if you are going for a iOS, there will be a App Store. Okay, from App Store onwards, you are going to download what are the applications you require. Okay, what are the softwares you require? Those all things you are going to download, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta. Okay, those all things you are going to download. Okay, this is nothing but they are going to set a executable programs. Okay, I say a software is nothing but a set of executable programs. Okay, a set of executable programs in a computer. Okay, in a computer. Okay, if I am mentioning here as a computer, why? Because I am testing each and every application in my in my mission. Okay, in my laptop. Okay, so that's the reason I am mentioning here as a computer. Okay, software is not nothing but a computer, guys. Okay, each and everything you can mention. Okay, you can mention mobile. Okay, each and everything you can mention. But as of now, okay, if you are going to get a job, okay, we are going to work with a laptops or a computer. So that's the reason I am going to mention here as a computer. Okay, is called as a software. Okay, it's called as a software. What is software, guys? A software is having a lot of executable program. Okay, if you buy a laptop, okay, how the laptop is going to work? It have to be some RAM. Okay, those all things. Okay, like CPU, memory. Okay, hard disk. Okay, if you put this all things only, the computer is going to work. Otherwise, it is not going to work. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? How the laptop is going to work? It is based upon our hard disk, CPU, memory, RAM. Okay. If you fit this all into a one of the software called as one of the software. Okay. This all executable programs, they are going to set in a one of the software. Clear? Guys, understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Coming to testing. Okay. Coming to testing. What you are going to test? Okay. Suppose think this is a software. Okay, this is a software application. Okay, this is a software application. In this application, what are the things you are going to test? Okay, what are the things you are going to test? How I am going to test? When I need to test? What you are going to test? Can anyone? How you are going to test, guys? Suppose you went to the one of the ATM machine. Okay, Suppose I want to withdraw one of the 5,000 rupees cash. Okay. If you are getting 5,000 rupees means, okay, our expected value and actual value is matched. Okay. What is your expected? I am expecting 5,000 rupees. How to come? Okay. The actual is the 5,000 rupees is coming or not. That is a actual value. Expected is 5,000. Actual is you are receiving 5,000 or not. That is actual. If you are receiving means then it is well and good. Okay. If you are not receiving 5,000, instead of 5,000 you are receiving only 4,000. You are then that is a issue or not? Can anyone? Instead of 5,000 you are going to receive only 4,000 rupees. Then it is going to be a issue or not? We have to test. Guys, I want to answer. You are going to be silent. See,
Yes, it is an issue.
it is an issue. Okay, if you are going to get a 4,000 rupees, I have withdrawn 5,000, but unexpectedly you are receiving only 4,000. You are going to sit ideal, or you are not going to give any complaints. One
We'll
person,
give
so if you are a rich kid means you are not going to give. Okay, for every person it is coming 4,000 only means they are going to be silent.
Definitely, we will.
It is a very blender issues. Okay, those all things we have to test. Okay, we have to test. Okay, we have to compare. Okay, we have to compare, and it is a comparison between what values? It is a comparison between expected value and the actual value. Okay, it is a comparison between expected value and the actual value. Then that is called as testing. Okay, we have to compare expected value and actual value. Then that is called as testing. Then that is called as we have tested. Okay, we have tested expected value, we have tested, and actual value is tested. Okay, that is called as a testing. Now we'll go for the software testing. Okay, now we are going to discuss about software testing. What is a software testing? Okay, while conducting testing. Okay, while conducting testing. Okay, while conducting testing in an application, where you are going to conduct a testing. If you are going to get a job, okay, you are going to test a Facebook application, or you are going to test a WhatsApp application, or they are going to give a one of the various application. As per the customer, okay, what application they are going to give, that application we have to test. Okay, we have to test one of a application. Okay, what application the customer is going to give to us. Okay, we have to conduct the testing on that. Okay, what you are going to conduct? If any expected value is not equal to actual value, not equal to the actual value. Oh, 1 second. Okay. While conducting testing in an application with an intention of finding a defects. Okay, we have to find a defects in an application. Okay, each and everything we have to find a defects. How you are going to find a defect? Suppose here I am giving a valid username. Okay, here I am giving a valid username, guys. Okay, here I am giving a valid username. Here I am giving a valid password. If I click on sign in, okay, if I am clicking on sign in, okay, what it have to be? It have to log in successfully. Okay, it have to log in successfully. Yes or no? My username is correct and my password is also correct. I am clicking on sign in. Okay, what is my next step? It have to log in to a application. Okay, if I give any invalid username and valid password and I'm clicking on sign in, what it have to be? Don't be silent, guys.
valid username
It have
or
to come
password.
as a, very good. Okay, it have to come as a invalid username and invalid password. Okay, or invalid username or invalid password have to come. Instead of invalid username and invalid password, okay, instead of coming like that, it is logging into the application means, then that is an issue or not?
It is an issue.
It is an issue. Okay, we have to find out the issues. Okay, we have to test a positive testing and we have to test a negative testing also. Okay, we have to find out a issues. Okay, we have to find out a issues. Okay, while conducting testing in an application with an intention of what? The intention of finding a issues or defects. Okay, another name for issue is called as defect, is called as software testing, is called as software testing. Okay, if you go for any organization, okay, some organization they are going to call as a defect. Okay, some organization they are going to call as a defect. Okay, in some organization they are going to call as a issue. Okay, some organization they are going to call as a defect and some organization they are going to call as a issue. Okay, is there any more names? The another name is also there. Okay, the another name is a bug. Okay, the another name is a bug. Clear? What are the different types of names, guys, for defect or issue? If you go for the interviews also, they are going to ask, some people is going to ask a defect, some people is going to ask as a issue. Okay, some people they are going to ask as a bug. Don't confuse in interview, or if your manager is going to ask also, don't confuse. Okay, I am telling very clearly. Okay, if you want to write down. Okay, the another name for defect is also called as a issue. Okay, the another name is a bug. Clear? Guys,
Yes.
understanding?
Yes, clear.
Don't confuse in interviews and at a manager point of time also. Okay, very, very important. Okay, if who is going to put some experience, okay, who is having much knowledge, okay, those persons I'm mentioning here. Okay, don't confuse. Clear? Okay, these are the basic things. Okay, they are going to catch you. Okay, seriously. Okay, I'm saying. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Now, what is a defect? Okay, what is a defect, guys? Okay, how you are going to identify a defect here? Okay, here see, here valid username I have given and valid password I have given, and I'm clicking on sign in. Okay, it have to sign in successfully. Here I am giving an invalid username and valid password. I am clicking on sign in. Okay, if it is signing means, okay, signing is happening means, then that is an issue. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Sorry, Rajesh, can you repeat it once again? I
See,
lost you.
here I am given valid username. Okay, clear? And I am given as a valid password and I'm clicking
Okay.
on sign in. Okay, here tell me what is your expectation?
It will log in into the application.
It have to log into the application. Okay, if I have given any email address as a wrong, okay, or password also wrong I have given. Okay, something I have changed. Okay,
Okay.
what it have to come when I'm clicking on sign in means it have to sign. It should not sign in. Yes or no?
Yes, it will not allow you to
Not
sign in.
it should not allow. Okay, it have to throw a error message. Why?
Error.
Because my expected value and actual value is not matched. Yes or no? My expected
Yes.
value is different. Okay, here I have given a different email address. What is your expectation now? Tell me. Here I have given as a different email address. Okay, invalid email address and valid password. I am clicking on sign in. Here tell me what is your expectation.
It should
Can
not allow because it should not
should
allow
not-
because you have logged in with the different email address.
Yeah, it should not log in. Okay, it should not log into the application. Okay, if it is logging into the application means then we are going to call as a issue. Clear? Yes or no? If it is
Okay.
allowing means then that is an issue. Yes or no? You have or otherwise one more example. Each and everyone is nowadays each and everyone is using a mobile phone. Okay, each and everyone is using a mobile phone. You are going to set one of the password for that. Yes or no? Like 4 digits or 6 digits or 8 digits, some pin you are going to keep. Yes or no? When you have entered that pin only, it have to open the lock. Yes or no? Correct if I am wrong.
Yes, correct.
Okay. If I give any pin, okay, if I give any pin, if it is opening means then that is an issue or not?
Yes, it is an issue.
It is a blender issue. Okay, it is a blender issue. Okay, like those all things we have to test. We have to test as a test engineer. We have to test. Okay, that is our job. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Guys, understood what is the software testing? We have to test an application. Clear? How to test? where to test, when to test, those all things we are going to cover day by day, day by day. Clear? Now tell me what is a defect? If any expected value is not equal to, okay, if any expected value is not equal to which value? Actual value, okay, then we are going to call as, then we called as defect. Then we are going to call as a defect. Clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes,
When we are
it's
going to
clear.
call as a defect, when expected value is not equal to actual value, then we are going to call as a defect. Clear? Any more questions?
No, it's clear.
Yeah. Okay. If you go for some companies, okay, if you go for some companies, some are going to call as a project-based companies, okay, some are going to call as a project-based companies, some are going to call as a product-based companies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Anyone heard about this thing? Project and product. Anyone? Hello, guys. Anyone heard about project-based companies? Anyone heard about product-based companies? If you go for some companies for the interviews, okay, some companies will be product-based. Okay, some companies will be product-based and some companies will be project-based. What is a product-based and what is a project-based? Okay, project is nothing but which is developed for particular customer, which is developed for particular customer. Okay, particular customer is called as particular customer requirement. Requirement is called as project. Okay, some of the customers came to my shop. Okay, some of the customers came to my shop, but in my shop that project is not available. Okay, I am going to bring some requirement, I am giving to her or to him. Yes or no? That is called as a project. Okay, coming to product. Okay, coming to product, I have a multiple products. Okay, I have a multiple products. Like suppose Tata is there. Tata is having a different types of products like Tata water, Tata salt. Yes or no? Those all comes under a products. Yes or no? If you go for any store, for Tata store, okay, you are going to see only one product or each and every product you are going to see. If you go for Tata store, Tata Enterprises, Tata Mobiles, Tata Motors, okay, each those all going to come as a product. Okay, these all things is going to buy multiple customers. Yes or no? Tata car is going to buy only one person or going to buy multiple persons? Guys,
Multiple persons.
multiple persons. Suppose Tata salt is there, only one user is going to use or multiple users is going to use?
Multiple users.
Multiple users. Suppose Tata water is there, okay, only one person is going to drink or multiple persons is going to drink? Multiple persons is going to drink. Okay, here product is nothing but which is developed for multiple customers. Okay, multiple customers can come. Okay, multiple customer requirements. Okay, if someone is going to come, okay, I don't want water, I need a salt. Okay, which company is best? Okay, they are going to tell some Tata company. Okay, I need only your brand is good. Okay, I am having, I need this requirement from you. Okay, is there any requirement is available or not? Okay, then he is going to tell there is a one of the company, the Tata salt is available in my company only, you can see. Okay, if I need a coffee, okay, Starbucks is available. Okay, Starbucks is a one of the brand for Tata. Okay, he is a one of the brand ambassador for Tata. Starbucks. Okay, each and everything. Okay, those are comes under a product. Okay, those are comes under a product. It is useful for multiple customer requirements. That is called as a product. That is called as a product. Clear? Understood? What is a product and what is a project? Clear? We have not entered into manual testing as basics we are going. Understood? We have not entered into a manual testing at all. These are the basic questions. Clear? Or any more doubts?
Yeah, it's clear. No doubts.
It's clear? Okay, fine. Okay. You are testing. Okay, you are testing each and everything. Okay, in the application, you are going to test each and everything. Okay. For why you are going to test? Why you are going to test? Can anyone? Whom I have to satisfy here? You are testing an application from day 1 to 1 year or 2 years or 5 years. You are going to be one company. You are going to test. To whom I need to satisfy? What I need to give to a company? Can anyone? Who I have to satisfy? First, I have to satisfy. After that, client have to satisfy. Yes or no?
Yes, correct.
Okay. First, I have to satisfy my job. After that, customer have to satisfy. Clear? That is called as quality. That is called as quality. Clear? That is called as quality. Another name for tester is also called as, anyone know about QA and QC? Anywhere? In upcoming sections, I will tell. Okay. Forget about those things. As of now, anyone heard about QA and QC? Quality assurance and quality control. Clear? What is meant by quality assurance and quality control? Okay. Our application have to be very quality. Okay. Then only customers is going to come. Yes or no? Suppose Amazon is there or Flipkart is there. How many persons is going to log in every day? Guys,
We cannot say specific number, like multiple people logging from
multiple
across.
people is log into those applications. Why? Because they are going to give a very quality and trusted. Yes or no? Then only each and every people is going there. Okay. If there is a no trust, okay, the products is not coming on time. Okay, the products is not delivering in time, or the products is not good at all. You are going to buy there. You are going to spend 100 rupees also. You are not going to spend any 100 rupees also. Yes or no? If the product is good, then only each and everyone is going to come. Okay. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Okay. We have to satisfy to the customer. Okay. Customer satisfaction is called as quality. What is the quality? Customer satisfaction is called as quality. Okay. Coming to a job. Okay. Coming to a job. First we have to satisfy. After that only customer have to satisfy. Clear? If you satisfy your job, then only you are going to work properly. Or otherwise you are not going to work. That is for damn sure. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes,
You are
it's clear.
going to test every day without paying salary. This application?
No.
No. Okay. No one is going to test. Why? Because I have to satisfy. First I have to satisfy. They are satisfying to us. So that's the reason I have to give a very good quality product. Clear? Yes or no? If they are not giving any money, you are going to open every day. You are going to watch YouTube or Facebook or WhatsApp. You are going to do your such things. Why? Because they are not giving any say, any pay. Clear? Yes or no? You are not going to test properly. They are also not going to give salary. Okay. If you are very good expert or you are going to test very goodly, they are going to give you more hikes, more promotions, each and everything. Well and good. Okay. Testing is very, very important. Okay. Somebody will tell testing is so easy. Okay. Easy only. I am not saying very hard. Okay. Testing is very crucial. Okay. Testing is very crucial. Okay. Very, very important. Okay. Without testing, no world is there. Clear? Development cannot deploy directly. Okay. Development cannot deploy directly. Testing is very, very crucial part. Clear? Understanding, guys? Someone will
Yes.
say, what is the testing? Okay. What is the use? What is the growth? Okay. Without testing, there is a nothing. Clear? Yes or no? You are buying
Yes.
some products, okay? Without testing, they are going to release into the market.
No,
Without
it's not possible to
this,
release it without testing.
it is not at all possible, okay? Each and everything, not only software, okay, mobiles, laptops, each and everything, they are going to test, okay? If you are going to buy a shirt also, if you see some stickers, okay, quality okay, quality okay, one tick mark like small symbol will be. Anyone observed? Dresses or any products you are going, quality assurance, QA, okay. Anyone seen anywhere? No one. Oh my god. What guys? Customer satisfaction. Okay, another name for customer is also going to call as a client. Okay, another name for client is going to call as a end user. Okay, don't confuse in interview. Okay, what is another name for customer? Client. Okay, another name for client is end user. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Only one person is responding. Okay, no one needs salary. Only one person is enough. Guys, try to speak out. Okay, this is a software industry. Okay, you have to speak out, guys. Okay, frankly, I am saying, okay, from my day one onwards, okay, what are the things I am saying that is enough. Okay, I am having 8+ years of experience and I am going to take a lot of interviews. Okay, where the interviews is going to ask, okay, what are the questions they are going to ask, each and everything I am saying frankly to you. Okay, so first thing is please respond. Whether it is wrong or correct, okay, don't feel shy. Clear? Hello? Is
Yes,
that clear,
it's
guys?
clear.
Okay.
It's clear, Rajesh.
Coming to manual testing, okay. If you have any doubts up to here, you can ask. Okay, I will stop up to here. Okay, tomorrow I will continue. Okay, tomorrow I will continue. If you have any questions or any doubts, please ask. If you want to discuss about anything, you can discuss. Any questions or any doubts? Guys, no worries or no doubts. I am going to stop up to here.